If your dog got fat, you wouldn't put him on keto or intermittent fasting, so why the fuck are you doing it? When humans try to lose weight, they try all these stupid fad diets. They only eat between certain hours of the day, they cut carbs, but let's say that Happy here got a little bit podgy around the edges. You'd most likely just start taking him on more walks, but more importantly, just reduce his portion size. You wouldn't put him on a juice cleanse or tell him that you can only eat between 12 and 8 p.m. Fat loss is simple, it's just eating a little less than you burn each day. And if you want to stop overcomplicating it and finally get lean, then follow my page for some no BS advice.